Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to see if you were blocked on Instagram. Why would you want to know how to see if you were blocked on Instagram? Well, maybe it is your first time using Instagram and not sure how to see if you were blocked on Instagram. So today I am going to show you how to see if you were blocked on Instagram. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Seeing if you were blocked on Instagram is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open Instagram. Now you are seeing search bar in the bottom left side. Click on it. Now click on search bar at the top. Search a username. If the profile is showing, it means you were not blocked by this user. If it is not appearing, it means you were blocked by this user. There you go. If you wanted to know how to see if you were blocked on Instagram, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.